This message is for the great British people, particularly the Honorable Prime Minister Theresa May. First, let me introduce myself. I am Altaf Hussain, the founder leader of the Muttahida Qawmi Movement Pakistan. The MQM is the third largest political party in Pakistan and second largest in the southern province of Sindh. MQM is a democratic, liberal and secular party which believes in coexistence, tolerance and interfaith harmony. My party represents millions of Muhajirs in Pakistan who had migrated from India after the partition of British India in 1947. I have been living in exile in Britain for the last 26 years because I suffered persistent attacks by the state-sponsored religious extremists. Great Britain provided me with asylum and safe haven, which I am very grateful for. On the night of June the 3rd, 2017, around 10 p.m., Islamic terrorists rampaged the streets of central London, cowardly, brutally and carelessly attacking innocent civilians, resulting in 7 fatalities and 48 injured. Myself and my party strongly condemn these disgusting attacks. Those who are involved in these heinous acts of violence have no faith, religion, or respect for life. I offer my heartfelt condolences to the grieving families on the loss of their loved ones, and I pray to Almighty God their souls may rest in peace. I also pray that the injured recover quickly. I deeply wish that Britain remains safe and free from any further religious extremist attacks or any kind of other attacks. I completely agree with the words of Theresa May. Enough is enough. myself and my people offer our full support to the British people and the government to eradicate the religious extremists and their terrorism. My heart is truly broken, and I am in hope that all culprits involved will be brought to book. I appreciate and pay tribute to all emergency services, especially the police and other law enforcement agencies, for their outstanding response and bravery. Thank you very much. Altaf Hussain, founder leader of the MQM, June 4th, 2017.